Good morning, good morning. Okay. Let's just get rid of this. Good morning, good morning. Wow, okay, so, yes, I should put my Nico range on again. 1 second, so I can see Asian. There you go. Okay, so welcome everyone. Looks like Asian session pushed GJ down. Around about 150 pips has moved. Interesting. Oh, we've broken the low of the previous daily candle. We've got a nice wick to fill, so it's looking pretty good for sells, to be honest. Pretty good for the sells, yeah. Because you've got this clean zone, we've got this clean candle as well. Breaking the low of the previous daily. Looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. So the 4-hour time frame has closed bearish below previous support, which is good to see. Yeah, the 4-hour looks pretty good to continue down. Take a look at the hourly. There's a little bit of support it's holding. 153,800. So sells below there are going to be what we're going to look for. So yeah, I think potentially sells below these kind of areas. 153,800. Especially on the 30-minute. I mean, you could have it a little bit lower, like 500 there, but I think there's enough zone, actually. I think there's enough zone. Let's take a look. Yeah. So we'll see about the closures, but I think sales below here are going to be rather nice. Yeah, there's a little bit of minor support a bit further below, but that's 24 pips away, so that's okay. Okay, beautiful. And then, for buys, yeah, buys are pretty far away, to be honest. Still the same as yesterday. Buys above 156,600 is what I want. Beautiful. So yeah, we'll wait for some nice sells on GJ. And if it breaks below that, I'll be breaking the hourly lows, previous hourly lows, so it looks good. Looks very nice. Let me just move this here. I'm actually on early. Yeah, man. Trying to get on a little bit earlier. Even though I still miss this fucking gold trade, so.
Shame on you.
Yeah. Let's take a look at it. I mean, I might not have gotten anyway. That's the retest. So I want a little bit higher, I think, this candle.
I had like a zone over there. So I had obviously that zone. And when we close the lower, I literally just. So if you go on the 3, you can see it looks cleaner on the 3, man.
Yeah, the 3 is better. Yeah, man. Nice.
All good.
Very nice.
For GJ, I actually want sales a bit higher up. If you can just go back to GJ.
Higher?
Yeah, so like I got like I got areas for price to come to, so we could have like soup, just like because I have this area over there. So on that price level, if I think on the 5 and the 15, you can see that's an untested area that we will probably come and retest before we continue down. It's like an M.
Yeah, especially there.
And also, yeah, that's kind of like an interruption candle over there as well, which is untested. So
yeah, it's 100 pips away, to be fair, though. It's a whole lot of Asia.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So we could like kind of like fake out to capture that for continuation or so.
Yeah. Looks good as well. I like how the daily's broken the low of the previous. It looks very nice. Take a look at news today. Got some Euro news at 7 AM. Nothing too bad. We've got some FOMC later on. We've got a member speaking for... what's this? Technology and Innovation Conference. Interesting. So, alright news really. So Goldie, I mean, yeah, Goldie's at a daily and a 4-hour zone. Ooh, doing daily salary play right now. Interesting. Daily salary play. Okay, let's just go to... So the daily flip, okay, clearly see we're very, very bearish. We are right at this support right now, which is pushed all the way to through Asian. Take a look at Goldie. Yeah, I mean, we're pretty low, man. 1623. Shit. So if we do start to come below these levels, where could we continue to? On the 4-hour. Ooh, I quite like the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour to the left hand side, you've seen this clean area, this clean area, this clean area, this clean area, this clean area. So yeah, I mean that drops all the way to 1600. Holy shit! So it could be quite a nice, quite a nice drop before there. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we'll have to see. 1600. Let me mark this on. Put a little line on it. Yeah, that's the first level. Beautiful. 1610. So yeah, it's like a 13 pips, 130 pip zone. Really not bad. So we'll see for sells below there. I think that should look pretty good. And yeah, GA daily and Rwanda had no top wick. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's fair. FXM1 has a pretty small one. What's up, broski? Oh, Dr. Dollar, how you doing, my man? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. And yeah, we'll take a look at EJ as well. There's some high impact news today. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, it's quite a lot, eh? Oh my god! Look at this US news. Holy. The speech is 7 o'clock for GBP as well. Yeah, damn. That's quite a lot of news for one day, eh? Let's this down a notch. So yeah, we'll see, man. I really want this GJ to fill this wick, man. Let's just take a look at EJ. EJ done anything? It was in a shitty range yesterday. So yeah, the daily's already broken the low of the previous start to continue down. Where could it continue down to? Well, this is quite a clean zone, so maybe back down to 137 would be nice. 137. Everyone got trolled with control FX thing yesterday. I watched the videos. Ah, yes, he's trolling already. Okay, so 4 hour over here, clearly bearish, closed bearish, strong as well, and we're actually clean to fill this zone really. So EJ looks pretty good to continue down as well. Yeah, EJ looks pretty nice. Continue back down to the 30-minute support down here. Could be good. So take a look in the little nooks and crannies. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the hourly. If the hourly breaks the previous hourly low, you're be pretty good, pretty set. So we have a minor support here. I do think if we get a closure below, it's gonna be pretty good. Gonna be pretty good. So yeah, yeah, I was putting out the homework yesterday, right? And it was so funny. I was,
Gold.
huh?
Watching gold.
I know. It's a big support in it. For a while. Pretty much tapped it, yeah. But I was looking back at price action just to do some charts so we can analyze them and stuff, and fuck me, I had to go all the way back to like February to find a decent looking chart. So it's madness recently. Let me just put this on. So yeah, I mean, let's just take a look at what trades could you have taken in Asian through for GJ. Let's look at the 15. That's the trade there, 130. Looks like it pretty good. Let's look at the 5. Pretty decent. Roger took that one. What, that on there? An Asian session. Damn. Reg it up all times of the day. What did... Hi Max, did you guys have your discussion of NY about OBS? Yeah, we're getting Ninja to do a webinar together to go through it next week. Yeah, so you get an actual webinar on it. Dear Markets, I pray that you'll be nice to us today and not do a Maguire on us. Maguire! I genuinely think that we should probably still continue down today, if I'm honest. I think it should be pretty good. Still very, very early on. Let's take a look on gold if there's any 5-minute trend lines. Well, there's a pretty big one. There's a pretty big one. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, I think this 5-minute trend line looks pretty good. Pretty good. The zone's massive, but we have to see the big reaction from this down here. So EJ as well for buys, yeah, they're gonna have to be above this res. This is quite a choppy area as well, so you have to wait for a nice strong closure above. Then it should be easier. Jace, what are you looking at? You got anything new on your eye right now?
Yeah, I got the unlisted south on gold. So so if we do break structure, I'm actually, to be honest, I'm looking for buys. I want us to come down to the unlisted south, and then I have a target at 1627. So I'm looking for interest around 1624, but it look like we just go.
Yeah, this 5-minute trend line looks not too bad, eh?
Doesn't look too bad, 100%. So yeah, so on the 5, I got that level.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is my target area.
Yeah. Very nice. let's take a look at the 15. 15's got 7 minutes left. It's a nice double bottom there. Nice little double bottom. We just need a closure above. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. 90 people already. Amazing stuff. Yeah, man. NY again yesterday was fucking garbage and a half. NY has been absolute cack for a good while. Just raged the whole of the time. Started moving at 5 o'clock. Goldie. Yeah, Goldie kind of. Let's look at the Goldie here. Yeah, it's also pretty bad price action. Yesterday. How much would your stops be? Just take it out. 18 pips. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Have a little minor res to the 15 and the 5 here. That's 7 pips away, that's okay. Only issues are overall quite bearish, but it's been at this level since 2 AM and it's rejecting, so it's not like it's just nearly pushing off. Where's my magic keys? Okay, we close on it. I quite like it, you know. It hasn't really closed above it, but it's pretty damn close. And I just think that this next candle's probably gonna rinse. I'm gonna miss it. To look at the 15. Hum. See. EJ as well. Yeah, it's coming back up. It's retracing a little bit. Jace, are you getting this one or the next one? Close.
I'm just waiting for price to come to my areas, man.
Yeah, I think above here is gonna be good. Gonna be good. Did you see England play, Jason? What the fuck?
No, man. I haven't watched any football.
Why fucking shit? They're playing Maguire again. Oh my god. Getting fucking sacked.
I see you guy, like the footballers in the UK is getting paid in dollars now.
Yeah. Doing that bullshit money. Is that Brian in here?
Hello.
Hello, good morning, Brian.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Grand stuff, man.
Did you take that 5 minute before?
No,
Yeah,
Jason
I don't
messaged
either.
me. He's like, "Oh, gold sounds good." So I'm like, "Just man, I just made a coffee and I've jumped back into bed."
Yeah.
He sends me this banger trade. I'm like, "Okay, I'm gonna finish my coffee for what? I don't know, but cool. Let's just get up."
Yeah, it wasn't my favorite one, to be honest, but it would have worked.
I would also have taken it. You've got the confirmation candle.
Yeah, I needed this one to come up a little higher. A wick to come up to that, and then that would be nice.
It retested structure, which is what I like.
3 minute low much better. I've got a big trend line from up here, so I'm waiting for a break above.
Yeah.
We've held this double bottom for a while now.
Yeah, I like that it's untested. I agree with that.
Yeah.
And just quickly, if you check on GJ 1 hour,
Yep.
we're getting a double bottom,
Mm-hmm.
double bottom at support. So if we get a closure above, we can get the retest to fill this crap up. Fill that up, fill that up, fill that up, fill that up, fill that up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So 30 minutes left. This is actually not bad closure, eh?
Yeah. But I need the 1 hour to close for that pattern.
Mm-hmm.
So it might run off, but then we can get a retest trade, right?
Yeah, so this one closes like that. The next one can come down and we'll get in like that.
100%.
Good idea.
I know Jason's also looking at that bastard.
Uh,
I know we can decision for, mate. We played exactly the same, me and Jason.
Might be Inori.
On gold.
No, I don't go on. Oh.
On GJ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what on the 15?
Fucking, I'm so
Five.
ill.
Where's the 5?
I see where you put it up in, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So 15 closed. It closed a little bit above. 30 minute also did. Only hasn't broken the previous high yet. It's still a little bit choppy. Goldie's still holding that. Goldie's still holding that, so still want to kind of closure above all that. Would be nice. DC, let's go, Max. Today looks better than any other day in the charts. Does it? Yeah, it looks alright. It's pretty good. That's a nice low wick. That 30 though didn't close just stronger than I want it. I want it up here. If you get in there, stop loss below. Yeah, it's 13 pips. Doesn't look too bad, but I think it was if it was a little bit stronger, and we haven't also broke the hourly highs yet, so this still could be resistance forming. Yesterday's 13-hour barcode killed me. Yeah, man. NY session, I wanted to fucking hit my head off a brick wall. Oh, there's the flip.
Mm.
Look at the 5 minute. Still some big 5 minute res, but it's not too bad. Ooh, Goldie. Goldie D. Is everyone going for this in the chat? No, Tom's gonna be like, I'm up 10 pips. Is there any retest in the fight? No, not really. Let's look at this. Going on the hourly break at the high stop loss would be 29 pips. Is quite a lot. Quite a lot. Brian mentioned yesterday OB IC demand candle. The IC is an interruption candle. I have no idea. Don't ask me. No idea. So gold coming all the way back down. Oh my god. Look at that. The only issue you have with it is this 4-hour support is going to be pretty hard to break. To be honest. God, that GG hasn't moved much yet. So, as I said, yeah, the news today is never ending. Look at this fucking news. God damn. So that's gonna be a mouthful. 25 minutes left for this Euro yeah. So that should be okay. What else? Yeah, 244. What's this one? Interesting. We'll have to see. Is that even on here? Yeah, it is. Do you think Q4 is going to be better than Q3? Well, we hope so. We hope so. So the 9 minutes left of this 15. Let's look at the hourly as well. Hasn't broken the high yet. Yeah, that GJ is still struggling. I mean, you know, why is it still struggling right now? Well, it's fucking bearish, right? It's quite counter trends. You gotta remember that. If you're going against the trend, it isn't gonna be as a quick little push. It's gonna probably take a little while.
Yeah, that's why I need the hourly.
Yeah, because the 15 and the 30, I mean, that isn't a solid closure. It's still in this vicinity here. It needs really above 300 level. Above 250 anyway. 120 people in this morning. Nice. Did Wix take a trade? I think he did. Let's take a look. I thought Iron Man's just in there.
What a dickhead.
Where's that gold GJ trade? Oh, that was a nice little gold trade. No. Wow, he's got a sell stop. Nice. Yeah, that was a clean zone, man. That was pretty tasty. Very nice. Yeah, I think the people asking about Q4 better than Q3 and stuff, you know, it's just all down to the news, man. How much news there is, how much bad news, how much good news. That's all it is. I was saying, Brian, I was doing the homework last night, right? And normally I just go through certain charts recently, of like, you know, just good structure. I could not find good structure for literally 3 months. Like, I was trying to find a great example of, like, you know, where you could take some trades. And I'm just looking here, I'm going on for days and days. I'm like, oh, I literally can't find anything. Like, it's just garbage. Like, look at this.
Yeah, you'd have to find structure on the daily and the 4H.
Yeah, like, I tried the 30, and there's just nothing. There's just absolutely nothing here. Like, look. I mean, there's
Yeah,
no only one.
remember, we haven't had good zones, so
Yeah,
you'll have to go high time frame to get.
It was mad, like, Like, I had to go all the way back to February to find a fucking zone that was decent. Look, like, I was here. Look, this is 26th of August. There's absolutely jack all you can do there. I mean, that's just ridiculous. One big.
That's why we've been taking, like, even Jason said, that's why we've been taking fake out retests and little quick charting pattern here and there and a retest here and there.
Yeah.
It shows that it's been different, you know.
Yeah. Like, it's madness. I was like, oh my god, it's really.
Yeah, there was like 3 or 4 months that we didn't have big candles.
Yeah.
We had to trade range, right? I was trading range.
Yep. Yeah, boy. Oh, I have my other steak again. It's unreal. Let's take a look at this. GJ started making a move yesterday after 4 PM. These days you gotta wait patiently. I caught nearly 150 pips. Very nice.
You're catching 150 pips on GJ now. You're a good trader. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's few and far between.
I mean, that's the closure. That's pretty easy.
See, a lot of people got that yesterday.
It's fucking 5 o'clock, bro, man. I've got shit to do. I've never traded at that time. But yeah, that's decent.
What are you doing at 5 o'clock, bro? Warming up mushy peas?
Yeah, I'm probably fucking making tea and shit. Time to fuck around with this.
Love it. I see you also had a bit of a steak dinner last night.
Yeah, that was for lunch, bro.
Oh, it's my bad.
I get that shit every week. It's gorgeous. Oh, the truffle butter is amazing. Oh, there we go. So it took us time, but it's looking good now. Looking good. 17 minutes left. Could be good. A nice little retrace, and then trace it back to here, 280. That can be nice. Yes, you know, watch it sometimes, but yeah. Yeah, me too. I caught 170 pips on GJ, but it moved quite early today in Asian session. I was nervous to trade Asian session. Well done. If you're nervous to trade Asian session, though, you clearly haven't back tested it, so just be a bit careful because sometimes it can really fuck you in the ass. But well done. It was a nice closure below support. You got a clean candle to the left. Next support. It's grand. What's your reasoning for marking those lines 4-hour and daily fibs as opposed to just having them as regular support and resistance? I just have them there so I can see the higher time frames, what they're doing, and also their good reaction levels. So yeah, they do act as resistances and supports as well, actually, quite a lot. But yeah, it's just so I can see, like, if I'm on the 50-minute time frame, I know the 4 hours bullish and the daily's bearish right now. So like sometimes when you're getting into trades and you forget what the higher times are showing, it's a bit of a boo-boo, so it's always there for me to have a look. So I don't mind this closure now. I think this 30 is nice. Nice. Oh, look at Goldie. Look at Goldie. We end off the 15-minute. I think I have to wait still for this hourly. Right, Goldie's rejected again. So
Yeah, it's FOREX, right? So it's from support.
Yeah. It's a big one. I'll get rid of this sell one. So GG on the 15 is closed. Yeah, stops are massive now. For fuck's sake. Should have just taken that. Hey ho, we'll wait for the hourly. So Goldie is still waiting for this break above. Still hasn't closed above really. These days I look at daily and look for resistance and support to be formed on the 4 hour before looking for an entry on this retest. Nice. Very good plan. 16 on GJ break. Well done, well done. Well done, Ronnie boy. I think it's a good level to take positions off because if you take a look at the 15, we're coming quite close to this minor support before, which could act as res. Come on, Goldie, break it. Right, I'm gonna move this like this now.
I actually took mine. I know you've got one from higher, but I just took it from that IC.
Yeah.
See it comes across, yeah.
That's only got 2 touches, bro.
It was kind of like Manuel's yesterday. The third touch was where the break was. You know what I mean? So I don't like it. Like I don't like it when they're this low. I prefer, I prefer a steeper break. But yesterday's one was like this, mate. You know what I mean? You might as well just draw resistance. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I didn't like yesterday's one.
Yeah.
I don't know. I quite like. Let's take a look here again. Yeah, it's so close to this line. I like this one. Just close above, boy. Let's take a look. Going on the break of the 5-minute high entry on GJ. Celery. Ooh. Very nice. Yeah, that's good. Brian is the chef in the group, question mark. He's a shit chef.
He actually is the chef. He actually is a chef. Have you seen Brian chop an onion? Oh my days.
Chop onion quick, boy.
I could chop an onion quick, the proper way as well.
In a fucking machine, probably. You probably got one of those push
fuck
machines.
I'm good.
Have you bought a proper pan yet?
Not yet. I'm good doing it when we move flat.
Have you found a spot?
Nearly, yeah. I think we're gonna go next door to the shit building over there.
Pussy. Shit, is my mic on? Sorry. Fucking 30. Listen, so now I was in the GJ. I got in on the flip way, but you obviously watched GJ. You saw how many times that candle came down.
Wait, which one? GJ.
On the 30. Yeah, on the 30.
Yeah,
on the 30 minute.
yeah.
So when we had that closure, I know it wasn't a strong closure. I got in on the 30-minute flip, stops on the wick. We didn't come and tap the wick again, but I was like in drawdown.
Yeah.
And when I went like half a pop, I was like, fuck, now I'm closing. Oh shit.
Really? Oh, I knew you were in as well. I knew you were in. I thought you were just gonna hold it. I fucking knew you were in, but I was just like, just hold it, man.
Fuck sakes.
How far did it push down, like, if you go in there? Oh yeah, I came down quite a lot.
God, my man.
Yeah.
I was like, should I, man? Listen, you see, when your finger is so close to the closing position, like it's like a magnet. It's like it wants to, but it also doesn't want to. Yeah. But you also want to see, what if it doesn't hit my stops? You know, you're also like that. And then eventually it doesn't hit my stops, and I come to entry, and this is what I use. This is how I'm at. This is what I usually do, man. It's like my normal instinct, like, okay, I'm at entry. So if it is that it plays out now, I just accept it. So at least it's not a loss.
Yeah. Just the door support created. GG was the correct formation to test, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah. EJ above looks quite nice as well, actually. It needs to close the hourly above that zone. 9 minutes left until the hourly. 9 minutes left. Goldie's rejected again.
I looked that up on that neckline. Like like it goes through down. So like I made my stops like 15 below the wick. So if you check the neckline on the 5 on Goldie.
Wait, where?
So when we came down, you can make it a bit bigger. Your candles. So this, yeah. So obviously we had our structure break there. So I held all this drawdown.
Damn.
But it was fine because 15 pips was below the wicks. So
100%.
I was cool.
Yeah.
I was cool with that.
I was also measured. I was like, oh, I know someone's in it. I was like, oh, let me go down. And I was like, that's fine. It's not bad. You can handle that.
Yeah, 100%.
She had sweaty balls this morning, Jace.
Yo, man.
At least twice.
At least twice.
I was a bit rusty from not trading.
Hey, man, I got an early gold sell, a nice one, a lekker natte. Listen, plus, I messaged Brian this morning. I'm like, hey, yo, man, I'm ready to eat. I told him. And he's like, I'm just having my coffee and whatever. Next minute, boom. I tell him gold cells. Like,
what was this? Asian?
No, gold cells.
Oh, for the 5 minute, yeah. So GJ right at that resistance could activate resistance now to C.
Yeah.
Reading it when the hourly goes above that. That'd be nice for us.
You tired today, boy?
I haven't had my coffee yet, that's why. Haven't had a lick coffee yet. But I think I'm gonna have one now. Right, quickly go get a coffee and a
Check
water.
there. Check
Huh?
there, go. Just
Okay.
check there in the mentorship. In the Telegram.
Telegram.
So that was this morning. Check the time, no?
The fucking hell, 5:48. Yeah, fuck that, getting up that early.
I tell him gold cells and check the chart.
I fucking.
So now check the chart.
It wakes me up, the bastard.
Now check the chart that the message just pinned to, man.
Ah.
No, man. Let's go get a
nice.
coffee, please. Go get a coffee, please.
Go get a coffee, mate.
Ah, fuck. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's nice in the 3.
And I literally just messaged him, man. You know.
Gold cells. Right, but 2 minutes.
Grab another coffee. Ugh.
Anyone get some sneaky gold cells over there? Oh my word. I'm looking for some sneaky gold sellers. Steve? Any trend line entries?
True.
Ah. We had breakfast already, Steve.
I've been up quite a while.
Oh. Oh, GG, wait, man.
Well, you're rambling again.
Nah, so I think like a closure back into this range would be nice up until that on the 30.
Yeah, because that'll give us the retest, right?
Oh, hourly open pushes. Might just go,
And you see where it's going on 1H.
Yeah, I see.
We could sell for that.
Yes, I know that's something I could even buy to do, man.
Yeah.
Fuck, I was bleak now, man. If I check the 15, even. Oh, bleak ass bitch. I should have just fucking held that thing, we bro. You see my entry?
I did.
Okay, sick. Ah, sis, na 2 minutes to close and now look what's happening. But are you happy with this candle, Brian? That's pushing up like this.
On which time frame? I know which candle you're
On the
talking
30,
about.
I'm
But
actually watching the 30 because the 30 is kind of
yeah,
clean.
30 looks good. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like if you look at like I think it was GJ on Friday, Thursday or Friday, mate, that retest wick was like 70 pips, bro, and it worked out to the T. I took my buy limit off because I sold down to the area. You know what I mean? I saw a fake out on like the 3 minute,
Okay.
so it's fine. It's not an issue. But if it gets to the 1HRC, then we're screwed for retest. You know? Because then we're still bearish, right?
100%.
Then that double bottom could crush your dreams.
Yeah, that is also what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
If we could come down and retest, let me just check this price level. So like this, the closure above, right? So in the retest of 286, you're looking at that.
Yeah, and we're coming up to your favorite level.
Oh man, shut up.
Being short.
Very good.
Your favorite level. I should just took that fucking buy there, man. Fuck's sake.
That's a should have, could have, would have.
Yeah, it's just a 30 just wasn't strong enough. I think it was like.
Yeah, but if you look at the 15, that bullish candle encapsulated that range.
Well, yeah.
So it's easy to see it now, but you know, you also had that area to the left. That candle to the left, that's OB candle, IC candle, interaction candle. Fuck.
How many words, right?
All these
Brian,
candles.
that's when I don't see.
Gold coin to a 5-minute OB. I have no idea.
Brian, speak to me.
I see. I just don't know if you want to buy that, but remember, the trend is still bearish, and we close below the 1H.
And
I don't know if you want to be buying that. Or a doji must be in a clear
I'm
trend.
happy for us. I'm happy for us to come down.
I'd like to come down as well.
Hourly retest. Gold is huge doo-doo at the moment. I think it's huge doo-doo. Maybe a little bit of doo-doo.
Huge doo-doo.
Huge doo-doo. Nice coffee for the morning. Oh.
Life's good.
So GJ breaking the high already. Fucking hell, the doji. Madness. Let me. Let's go to 750 right now. So when it's at 750, yeah, you gotta be a little bit careful. We just know overall at 750 you can have a little bit of a struggle, but looking like we're pushing quite nice. We'll have to see how it reacts at this level though. Still need a closure above there. I'd prefer 30-minute to be honest. What the fuck is gold doing? Why is it just hovering here? Okay, EJ's pushing up as well. This fucking 15-minute candle's just rinsed up 2 minutes. Look at that. Very nice. Yeah, and this has got a beautiful area, man. I quite like EJ, to be honest with you, more than the rest. Zone's clean. It's still very bearish, though. But if this candle closes like this, then we retrace back to this level, take a buy there, stop loss below. How much should that be? Yeah, 16 pips, that's not bad at all. That's not bad. The 5 minute come and retest anything? No, just yeah, it was just a straight ass rejection. That was scary. Gold respected support as well. Yeah, gold is respecting it still, but it's not really pushing off it yet, which is not the best for us. We've got to wait a little bit longer, I think. For Goldie. This price action looks a little bit shit as well, to be honest.
Yeah, but you see, I like that because you see there's a bit of a fake out at the bottom there. Fake out to support. So this break could be good.
Yeah.
When it gets
some volume. Yeah.
Where have you taken your... Sorry, go for it.
There you go.
Where have you taken your gold trend line from? Descending? Is it from the 15 minute?
1642 in the 5 minute.
Just quickly check it on 15.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Yeah.
Okay, so I see it now. It's fine.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Yeah, it's big.
You said the 4 hour on... Yeah, the 4 hour on GJ has closed below. However, we're nearly breaking the previous 4 hour high. And the daily is rejecting. So, I think it's okay. It may have some trouble for some buys at 155. And then it'll maybe continue back for the sells. This week's actually not been too bad so far. I've taken like 5 trades, 4 trades. 3 winners, 1 loss, 1 break even, I think. So yeah, for Wednesday, it's not too bad. I want to see if this hourly, yeah, should get up to 155 flat, man.
Yeah, I wanted to buy up to that.
This bit.
Mm.
Yeah, and all this clean zone as well. Looks good. Oh, thank you for subscribing. Georgie, thank you for subscribing. So yeah, GJ's coming up over here. 2155. I really wish I got in here, to be honest. 250 level. Did fuck around, but that was beautiful. Very good, very nice. GA rejecting that resistance. Rejecting that resistance? What do you mean? I don't think it is. Oh, before that, yeah. Yeah, it looked like it was, didn't it? Look at the 5 minute as well. Yeah, 5 minute came into the area, it closed bearish below, and this candle was ripped up. Interesting. It's that same pattern again, Brian. Doji.
Yeah.
You got 10 pips out of it as well, 15.
Jason would have taken the body flip. I see. I like a smaller doji than that.
Yeah, and then break the high.
The time that I'll take a high. Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense. This GJ might close fucking below. In a bit. If that 30 minute closes below. I quite like this EJ, man. Only thing is the higher time frame, that's all. GJ's giving me a headache. In the last 2 or 3 months, it's only me or there is something wrong in the market these days. Yes, it's a pain in the ass. Don't worry about it. You're not the only one.
Pussies. Pussies.
If I can push it out of this trade this morning because of you, Brian.
Pussies.
So much so, the person who said that in the YouTube that some people have just deleted it. Yeah, Joe's just deleted it. Delete. Yeah, and this zone below on the 4 hour doesn't seem too bad actually. It's quite a nice zone. 130 pips is pretty good. I still don't get why my gold's going down.
Yeah, I don't get it either.
I don't get it. Oh, do you know what happened yesterday? So I had some mentorships that people paid in crypto, and you know how we said like, oh, the fucking news, we're gonna shag it. Whilst we were on the stream, I withdrew all like just the rest of it.
Yeah.
And literally look at it. It fucking dumped. I took it off here. I took it off there. I fucking sold
because it was
it
was almost at 21 yesterday.
Yeah, I sold it there, man. I was up 7% for the day. I was like, oh my god. And then it fucking launched down. I was like, oh my god. Thank god I closed that.
In like percent, what would you have lost there?
Well, it went from 7% to 2% for the day, so 5% loss.
Fuck that.
Yeah. And literally a couple of 50-minute candles, like that. Oh. Well, because the Fed said that there's some issue with the fucking blockchain and stuff. I'm like, oh, it's not gonna be anything positive for the fucking coins.
I'm telling you now, they're trying to regulate it, man.
Yeah, of course they are. Then they're gonna do it. And why wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Why wouldn't they? It's just basic. I think that's what some people's like hindsight. It's just a bit of common sense. Like, why would a government want you to control your own money? They don't want that. They want to see everything. They want to be able to tax you as much. Why the fuck would they want you to do this? They're gonna make it as hard as possible, and then they're actually gonna make it so it's just not possible at all. Yeah, of course.
And it's like the dollar being the same as a pound and a euro now.
Yeah.
Like that's it's a reason for it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I went quick out of that shit. I was like, whew. Look at the daily. It doesn't look too good, bruv. We're not reacting off it. Look at the weekly. The wiki does not look like it's coming up anytime soon. And in fact, to the left hand side, this is actually all pretty clean. So we could get to 12,000. Now that would be interesting. Switzerland. Elon sold all his, didn't he? Yeah, and Tesla sold all of them. They made a loss in it, I'm pretty sure. It was Was it Venezuela that bought loads? I think it was. Venezuela again. Absolute butt right now.
Yeah, they literally made the dumbest choice.
Yeah, he bought. I think he bought some. He bought it when it first dipped. So he bought some like there.
Fucking idiot.
There's Venezuela fucking monopoly money.
And their economy fucked already.
Yeah, man. The inflation's like absolutely ridiculous.
Wait,
Venezuela took their last little bit of reserve to buy crypto.
Yeah, it just crashed. Oh my god.
There will be no sports events held in Venezuela for the next 30 years.
Yeah. Does Venezuela accept Bitcoin everywhere? No shit. Maybe they could accept fucking World of Warcraft currency. The fucking currency's worth nothing. I'm pretty sure that is it. World of Warcraft currency is worth more than Venezuela's. Ridiculous. back up again. Get up, boy. Where was it? Yeah, Don's little thing last night was a little troll thing. It was clickbait. It was damn clickbait. 5 Fed speech scheduled for today, including Powell and even President Lagarde's speech right after London Open. Great. Yes. Bro, have you seen the news today? Look at this shit. Look at the US. What the fuck? Oh no. And this is at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, 1:30. Streams and takes out. You got the GJ buys during London? Yeah, I think he probably would have taken that trade that I kind of wanted to.
Did you say about the news?
Mhm. Yeah.
So is Paul speaking again today?
Look at this. There's just so much news.
Yeah, no, it looks like a.
Look at that. Wonder why Greece and Italy need to borrow money, whereas America can just print their own, because America's the global, what's it called? It's the reserve currency, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is why. Oh God, Goldie getting very close over here. 50 minutes gonna close soon. 30-minute also. Did Roger put on Twitter? Yeah, man, that trade there was the one. They should have really taken that. Teach emotions, MY. Apparently a really good place to go. Anyone been to Budapest? I think Budapest is unreal.
Yeah, I went pretty recently, mate.
Really?
I went about 3 months ago. It is good. The got like some, I think it's called like the Temple Bars. It's like a big, like rundown like warehouse basically. It's got loads of like bars in. It's like fucking falling apart. It's dead quirky and cool, to be fair.
That's sick. Anyone like this?
Go on, sorry, mate.
I was saying, anyone like this retest on EJ?
I don't have EJ on my charts anymore.
He had it.
I feel like Joey with GJ to EJ.
I might add it back, to be fair, GJ.
Anyone gold? I just missed it. Oh my God.
Gold's gone.
I just don't know if EJ's too bearish, man, but the screen candles above. Is a 4-hour close? Yeah, the 4 hours still not bullish. My son went a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, I think a lot of people go. It's cheap as well, I think.
I preferred Prague to Budapest.
Did you?
Yeah, I thought Prague was better. If you go with your missus as well.
Yeah. Oh, I think there's Euro news, isn't there? It's 7 8:15. Okay. I've already missed it. I wanted to come a little bit further. 3:40. So 12 minutes left for this 30 to close above on GJ. Wow, Goldie's dropping off. Broken the 4-hour lows, broken the daily lows. There's a little trend line there. Really? Damn. Issues the 30 hasn't closed above either. It's too weak, I think. I think if you go and counter trend, you gotta have a 30, man. And the 30, you can see here, the 30 hasn't closed above yet. So when you're going bearish, and you know, when you're going bullish, sorry, when it's very, very bearish, 150-minute candle is a little bit sketch. Crying. Let's take a look at this 5-minute trend line. Ah, yeah. Ah, mate, that's not a trend line for me. I just think it's just a support. It's just a support that's been broken.
Yeah, no, definitely.
It's too shallow. Nice, Paulie. Good lad. Very nice. Do you look at the 1 minute, see if you're holding here? Nope. We are not. Gold to you, one hit 10 20 pips, very, very nice. See if you can get a closure below there. Maybe the next little opportunity. And this could really fly down, yeah. I'm gonna take this off right now because it's just in the way when I look at it on the 30. 9 minutes left of the 30. For the 30. Let's take a look here. 3 now, wait, what? Did that 5 minute come retest? It nearly did. Man, if this continues to drop, oh, even London Open could be quite nice. London Open could be Gucci.
Oh my god.
Morning, Finny.
Did see mine and Brian's trade that we were looking at yesterday.
I did.
You'd currently, right this second, be up just over 200 pips.
I know, and Brian closed early.
Zero drawdown.
I know it was.
Zero.
Tapped it. It's fucking gorgeous.
Only thing was the stops were a little large.
Yeah, but they were still okay.
Yeah,
They were still okay.
okay. Where is it again? Let's take a look.
You
There
can
it
200
was.
pips slapped.
You could just
That
go
is
straight
just
to the...
bad.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Called that early, didn't we, Brian?
Yep.
I just want Brian to hold on a little bit more.
Ah, shut up. Worry about your own trading, man. For fuck's sake.
Do-do.
That just fucking shits me.
What were you doing? Jacking off instead?
He's doing his hair.
Just being a fucking pussy, honestly. Oh my god, that is about as good as it fucking gets.
Yeah, it just taps you in.
Just fucking taps you in.
One tap.
That was
Tappity
awesome.
tap tap tap. But once
Yeah,
it ran,
we got
Would've
that
only
down
ever-
on the 5 minute to 20 pips. I remember now. I still got the box. on.
yeah, but it wouldn't have quite gotten hit in.
Oh, mine tapped in. It
Mhm.
tapped in 100%. Because the box I drew on the 15 minute, and then the
Oh,
top of the
sorry,
box I
sorry.
reduced on the 5. So I reduced the resistance. I didn't reduce the support of the box.
Mm.
You could have got it down to like 20.
20 pips.
Oh,
EJ's got
Which is fine.
5 minutes
Decent.
left. This EJ looks good now.
and I should open my terminals. Might help.
Marling. Thank you, Daniel, for subscribing. Yeah, looking like goalie rejected a little bit, but I think it might push it through London, so that'd be good. London Open. GJ seems to be causing a little bit of resistance. You can see the 30-minute might not close above. Interesting. Where would you look for sells? Where would you look for sells? I think even below here would be nice. Even if this goes bearish, it could be quite good. It's a fake out back in the range. That's what I would like.
That's what I like. Chucks over stripes.
What are you in, Jason? You only do that kind of voice when you're in the trade. You'll be like, I would eat you, bro.
I just sent it through, my bro. There you go. Here's your telegram. I don't play, my bro. No playing here.
Nice. Did you take some sweaty ball drawdown? Yeah, you did. That's another sweaty ball drawdown.
He's getting all his trades in for the next month.
He's got his wet fucking ball sack. Actually, only went down 4%. That's 4 pips. That's not too bad.
Bro, I had like a 13 pop stock. I had like 5 pops through down.
Yeah, that's not bad.
So I'm up like 7 pops. Gucci, I'm Gucci. This thing is gonna run, eh?
Especially with this 30 close.
Shit, I thought this closing in 4.
Yeah.
Plus 15 must push me. Give me
It will.
my 10, baby.
It is, bro. It is. Don't you worry. Oh.
Go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Well, that was a nice trade.
It was indeed.
I'm closing 80% now. See where this GJ closes. 2 minutes left. That was actually good. I watched this. So I was watching the 1 minute. This price coming down. When we made the first bullish 1 minute candle, I got in over here.
You in?
Yeah. My entry was...
On EJ.
Yeah, I got in at 340.
Oh, the king of just taking entries himself.
Yeah. It was a bit of a
Calling him.
cowboy. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go for it.
I'm busy checking this.
Really?
I'm
I
busy
wouldn't even
checking the
barely
signal
call it.
button. I can't see anything.
Oh, yeah.
You can't even call that a bit of a cowboy.
Well, because I didn't like how this... I didn't like how these wicks passed this level.
And
Yeah, but that is-
the 30 hadn't closed above, so it was a cowboy.
I'm still hovering in the signal chat here. I can't see fuck all that.
There was a cowboy.
Nah, it wasn't a cowboy because we had, so if you go back on EJ
Mm-hmm.
15, so we had a break above the interruption candle, we have a closure above the zone, we have an untested south, which is that bearish candle.
Mm-hmm.
So I basically waited.
So Jace, why when I talk about this trade for about 5 minutes, you fucking silent the whole time?
I was
You're fucking silent. Like
He was
any
busy
feedback.
looking for an entry.
Yeah. I was like, right,
Nah,
everyone else thinks this trade's wank, but I'm just gonna do it myself.
Nah, listen, it's because I had my terminal open, I had the zoom like minimized, and I was checking it on my trading view as well. So I had a lot open. So sorry about
Does
Thanks.
anyone here pay attention to the probability of trades when using magic keys? No. Because I don't know how the fuck it works out, but yeah. Do you know how it works? Is it just from past trades you've taken, maybe? Or maybe past trades, like a buy on EJ would be like classed in a certain thing. That could be it, actually.
Max, what you thinking on gold here?
I need this 30 to close better than that, unfortunately. Yeah, it's holding it. Maybe for London Open, though.
Is it not London Open yet?
No, it's early, my man. You've been up for like 3 hours already, bro.
Fuck's sakes.
Yeah, we've got a while. I've still got a while for London Open.
How many trades did I fucking take? Oh my days.
Now I've got a 30-minute closure. Retest entry will be there. Stop loss below will be there. Yeah, I'm probably going to go for that as well.
Will you let us know about that one?
I've just have. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, actually. Yeah, hourly.
Are you looking at this fake cut on GJ, Brian?
I am, but if you look at the 5 minute, it looks like a break and retest. So be very careful.
Mm.
Be very careful.
Yeah.
GJ will show you the middle finger so fast. This is why Joey's still crying about GJ. Okay. Sorry, Joey.
Not
Yeah,
wrong.
I'll show you the middle
What's
finger.
it on the 50 chip rejection?
That's what Gold did yesterday.
No, I see it. I see it.
You think London Open can just push that? No?
I still think it's got to come down to test.
I don't think it's ready yet. I think this 30. I think it did close doji below. Let's look at the 5. That looks like a nice wick fill.
I see lekker the tip op cells, my bro Brian. Oh.
Come back down. Howard, come back down, boy. Give me that 30-minute retest. How do you know how to go for longs or shorts? That's a big question. You have to go back test the strategy or get into a group where you learn how to take trades and then you kind of find out. For me personally, it's mainly keeping the higher timers with you, or unless you've got clean candles above, you've got some good rejection from the downside. Goldie coming again. So when it hovers on that level, it's like, oh. I think this 8 o'clock's going to be interesting.
Is there news? Did you check?
I mean, there's news all day, but not.
I mean, now for London.
No. Apart from a bit of Euro 8.15, just kind of. This is okay. So let me just get my phone out. Oh, that's good rejection. Got a 5. How much would stops be? Oh! Fuck! Just had a heart attack. Fucking 30 pips. God dang. God dang.
Your ass in their pants.
It's kind of a big step over here. Looks good though, bro. Have you found a 5-minute entry, anyone?
What do you mean now?
I don't really like. I don't really like this. Just a break and retest, isn't it? Yeah. If it goes further below 500, I think it'll be a little bit better. But it's also, key level 500. I'm still a little bit cautious this week, Phil. Here. I am at spots. There's good DC again.
He's getting
DC
boring now,
kisses
mate.
ass better than anyone else. DC said hi this morning to me. Is he on his stream? Yeah, let's take a look.
Brian, are you still not like this rejection on GJ?
Are you looking at buying?
I'm looking at selling it, man.
I know you're looking at
man.
selling it. And I know the break and retest on the 5 is a lower time frame.
Yeah, and also the rejection, the fake out.
Yeah, but you're running 30 pip stop, mate.
Yeah.
But it's gonna go.
Well, go for it then.
Send it, boy. Jess, I'm behind you. Let's go for it.
No, man, that's why I just
You
want.
can do 22 pips there.
So you want me to trigger with you? Is that what you're saying?
No, I just need you to just. Are you seeing something that you're not happy with? Like,
I don't like this. Look, if I move this to here, it's just a break and retest. 5 minutes goes bullish and support. 15 still holding. The 30 minutes still bullish. I just don't think it's ready yet. Maybe another 5-minute bearish closure, then you could be alright.
So I have this. Yeah, I have that zone. So that is my key level. I have just because what price did that. So if you just make your chart like
Take this out, take this out, take this out.
yeah, it's just what price did that.
Make it smaller, did you say?
Fuck. Okay, the movie's done.
I agree with you, Jason. I agree with Jason.
Who's this guy?
Shut up, you already
Go on
know
then,
why.
you guys agree. Go on then, watch this 5-minute rip back up.
I've already been in and out of it. I got 18 pips on a 4-hour.
What?
Get
Been
this.
on the
Bit of
4-hour.
support, QP 500 area, wicked up to top at 4-hour. Now I sort it down, but I got wicked out when that stupid candle brought it up. But I agree with Jason. Smashed off that 30-minute res perfectly.
Doodle-doo-doodle-doo-doodle-doo.
High time frame traders in the group now.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I've just seen it and it looked right. It had not a big enough bottom wick, area to fill. It was right at top, so it was a 10 pip stop. If it passed top wick at 4 handle, it was invalid and it didn't. You have to try these things, Brian.
I've tried enough, mate. Don't you worry.
Yeah, well, I need to try. I need to catch you up.
Yeah, it's gonna take you a couple of years, boy. You're not getting any younger.
I didn't spot the
Angry, yo. At least I look young.
Bro, Warren, why are you looking at the 4-hour closure?
I've been in and out of it, Jason.
How the fuck did I miss that?
But I got wicked out when I went break even, and then
Oh, fuck.
fucking dropping now. And I didn't even secure anything like a knob.
I could have seen that 4-hour. Brian, you slacking, eh?
See, me and Jason are on the same page. Good traders. Brian, shit trader.
Ooh.
Look at that!
Fucking GJ.
Oh my days! Ah!
Absolute dog.
Any boy?
I think that was a risky play. I'm not gonna lie. I think that was.
No!
It
The void.
was. No,
What, the
no,
void?
no. This
The void.
15. This 15.
Okay, so
Yeah, because that's too big a risk, 100%.
listen, I'm gonna give you guys a moorslot of confluences now. 4-hour. That is what I needed. Go to the 4-hour maxi.
Mm-hmm.
Easy
Right,
one.
right.
Break and
Yeah,
retest.
yeah. That's fair. That's
Close
fair.
you below, whatever you want to call it. Plus, we didn't just close below. That one support. It's like 2 supports, you know. So we basically engulfed that whole support on the 4-hour. You know.
I love that fucking word
So
from your.
then
Engulfed.
on the 30-minute, we had our weak rejections to show that price is failing to close above. Then on the 15-minute, we have our fake out. We have our retest of our fake out. Fuck's sakes, I'm such an idiot.
On GJ Max, go to 30 and go to left a bit, please. That area, I had it marked above there. See that one just to your left?
There.
I had all it marked. Yeah, I put a line there, and then it on 15, it stayed and closed below it. So
Yeah,
that's what you
no.
wait for now.
I totally like it. I just don't like how. I just don't like.
Just wait for the 30 to close now. See
Yeah.
what the 30 closes, because we're forming race.
what, second try?
No, this will be the trade that gets you 100 pips, mate. Not the one that taps you out of break even. You know what I mean?
Well, I could have secured at 18, but I'm a knob, so.
Yeah. You know that should have, could have, would have, mate. You know what I mean?
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Got some proper shoes instead of boat shoes.
Yeah, I got some shoes. Don't you worry, boy.
I want this EJ trade bad. There's how long left? 4 minutes. Yeah,
Max, is there a Longsdale close to you guys?
a Lonsdale? The fuck?
Yeah. Or a shop that sells Longsdale shoes. I need to get a pair for Warren.
Sports
Max,
Direct.
do you like Y3s?
Do you like what? Y3s?
Yeah,
Yeah, they're alright.
Sure.
Pretty cool. Yeah, I like them.
there you go,
They're pretty
Brian. Proper shoes.
I'll get you some Longsdales, man. All you British folks like Longsdale tracksuits and shoes.
You get us a matching hoodie as well, please.
I just wear Air Forces
In
everywhere
pink.
now.
In pink. You want pink
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, please.
Cool, no problem.
Oh.
Goldie is breaking lives over here. We still got this 5-minute trend line. Oh look, GJ's struggling. So 3 minutes left for this 15. Is it really wise for me to take a buy right now with the retest? Well, no, because it's 3 minutes left for this 15. If this 15,
So myself and
this 15 closes like that, you're pretty fucked.
Brian, so exactly so basically if you check on the hourly GJ also now, so this is what myself and Brian spoke about when you went to go get some coffee or took a piss.
Took a pulse.
Yeah, no, it's fine, just make it a bit longer. Like make your candles longer, no. Like in
The
height.
fucking longer.
Yeah.
Height.
Just,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. There we go. So I can see that candle. There we go. So
That's a
we
fucking
had
beautiful
this
trade.
area. No, Brian. We had this area, you remember?
Yeah.
Obviously, my line is not perfect, but if you check, we literally just tapped it and left now. So we were looking at that area with
That's what we wanted.
Yeah. we
sell.
But it went up and then came down.
Yeah, it went.
See.
It basically didn't even tap that area.
Yeah.
Then we came down. We tapped this area. So once we tap this area, that is my target. But if we did come here like initially, then that could be our target. But now it's confusing. It's not doing that.
Dual
Basically,
bottom
basically
on
did
gold.
what
5 minute. Yeah, dual bottom on gold 5 minute.
Warren discussed earlier.
Just still a bit. I'd rather have the buyers up here. Let me break that trend line. To be honest with you. So 15 looks like it's gonna close still above the zone, which is nice. 3 minutes still decent. 15 minutes left at the 8 o'clock now. I still think this is gonna be buys. I have a feeling.
What? Let me just see. What is gonna be biased? EJ.
I still think GJ might be. If this closes, if this 30-minute closes bearish, then it's gonna be good for sales at London Open. But I just don't think it's gonna close bearish. I think this 5 minutes fucked around too long. So 26 seconds left. Yeah, if this 15 closes below, then it's a no-go right now. Gonna wait a little longer. See how it reacts to that level. 333. Yeah, Goldie is still very, very bearish. So just be careful on the counter trends on gold, because this can really slash you up. So close to breaking that low as well. So if this 30-minute closes bearish, how big is the zone to this low? Ah, it's big, right? Not too bad. Be the 4 hour flipping as well. 4 hours already closed below, so we already think that the 4 hour is pretty good to continue down. Let's see. GJ buys for me based on the hourly to fully retest the 4 hour for sales later on. Fully retest the 4 hour? It's already done that here. Theoretically as well, this daily is fucking bearish, man. We've broke the low of the previous. We've got a nice wick to fill. 4 hour didn't break the high of the previous yet as well. It's made the top wick. So, yeah, I mean, higher time frame, we are bearish. So, GJ 5 minute trendline break. I don't do 5 minute trend lines on GJ, but let's see. I don't think there is one there.
Yeah, but it's also just a lower time frame confidence. We're waiting for high time frame to give us direction.
Yeah.
Well, we've got direction. We need the confirmation. That's it.
So 15 closes very, very bearish. This one's pushing back in the zone. And look, the hourly isn't going to close above. 30-minute fake out on EJ. Let's take a look. Looks like a 12 minutes time. Maybe get that closure. Maybe. Right, maybe 2 minutes. Let's go to the toilet. Watch GJ.
Yeah, my level Zulu girl.
GJ's gone.
Yeah, but you see now we've got the confirmation on 30.
Yeah. Those funny, just kept going up and down and up and down.
Yeah. You're laughing at me, right?
That's not supposed to happen. Come on, push, baby. Looking at gold funny.
Yeah, waiting.
For
Sells.
Come up. Sells.
which area?
You'll see it.
Yeah, you'll see it.
Which time frame?
5.
5.
Oh yeah. 1628.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my TP.
In buys.
Yeah, he's in bars at ass off.
I will tap my break.
Hit it.
Wait, tapped your break even? On what? What did you take, Jace?
Double bottom on gold.
Gold.
Interesting, yeah.
Somebody mentioned it here.
Yeah. Very nice.
The young. He was a
Those 5-minute candles on GJ look a bit peckish. Why are they not all wicks to them? How big's this stop? 36 pips. Damn! $36 pepperoonies? Okay. GJ tapped into demand zone with that long wick. We should see a wick filled before going back up with continued JPY weakness. Yeah. Yeah, boy. 4-hour flip inbound. 6 minutes left. I mean, you have to. I mean, the only way to probably get into a trade like this. I mean, you could just wait for the retracement. Is there any? Yeah. The top wick and the flip probably. Are you thinking of that, Bri? What are you looking at for sells?
GJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to see what the 30. I mean, we know the 30 is in a close, and I just want to see what the next candle does.
Yeah.
How it opens, what the wick does, etc., etc.
That'd be nice to give a nice little top wick. GJ playing my emotions. Oof. Damn. Oh, Goldie. Shit. How much should the break of that low be? 24 pips. Okay. This 30 closes below. Break of the previous low would be quite nice here. Could be pretty good. Fucking why are these blinds open?
Please check that blind, boy.
I'm thinking, at which area would you wanna buy
For?
GJ?
I'm too bearish to be buying that.
Yes, I know, but what I'm saying is for sales, in terms of where you wanna sell from it.
And obviously, we'd have to come above the 1H, right? Again, for me to entertain anything up to 155 and plus.
Oh, fair enough, yeah.
You know what I mean? As much as this 1H is doing what we planned, the problem is it went up first and then came down. So now we're forming that low high, right? So we've done the correction. Now we're hopefully on the next impulse.
Yeah, which is to the downside. Oh man, I'm so rusty on trading view, eh? Fuck. It is, man. Yo, it's actually hurting my eyes. I still need to set up to get the colors of it identical.
I just moved to C trader and leave trading view alone.
Right there.
C trade. Didn't like the GJ sells
C
much.
trader for how long?
Who has?
Ryan and
yeah.
And Steve, yeah.
Still chat on Trading View though.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I bought Pro for Trading View.
Oh, GJ.
Hey Max, this ever happened to you? Like in GJ, such a drastic change in price action and like behavior?
What do you mean? Like right now or in general, like recently?
Because I study, like I've only been a year trading, and I had my first strategy I came up with was really similar to yours. All those setups, closures, waiting for wicks, and all that type of behavior.
Yeah.
Did it ever happen?
I mean, recently, have you seen a recent candle where there's a closure below and a top wick? Because I fucking haven't. So yeah, I mean,
that's what I'm talking about. It's not happening right now. So
no,
I'm just asking if it like in your journey, did this like happen before?
Yeah,
like,
I would say it happened before in terms of a couple months, but like maybe like 1 month out of like 8, but not such an extended period like now. Yeah. Like man, I mean, back in the day, like last year, the end of last year, every single London session there'd be a closure at 8 o'clock and make a top wick and it'll drive. Like
Yeah,
getting
it's
one of them
ridiculous.
now
It's
is it's
ridiculous.
mad.
Yeah, it's ridiculous how like easy it was compared to the roller coaster of emotions now.
Yeah, the stops are bigger and the zones are harder to find. So it's just one of them things, man. Just gotta adapt to
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I feel like I have to like learn again. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I learned something different. It's
I'd say
different.
it's the same.
Mentally, it's completely different in every way.
Yeah. Oh yes, that great. Yeah, even NY, like NY volume, pre-NY has absolutely fuck all volume now. Like zero volume. I used to be the go. I used to love the pre-NY. I haven't taken a pre-NY trade in fucking months now.
Would you're gonna entertain the closure below on GJ now, eh? Like if we push.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I would.
It'd be the 4 hour. Yeah, we've start the 4 hour.
No, below the support.
Oh, below the support. Yeah.
Is anyone buy on the 4 hour flip?
Oh, fuck no, after this 8 o'clock. Oh, look at this gold, man. This gold's gonna close below.
When that GJ flips the 4 hour, I'd have been up 70 pips. Just a bit salty.
Yeah, but you're not, mate, so you can't talk about it, alright?
I can talk about it because it annoys me.
So this hourly is going to close below. I mean, 30-minute break of the lows there would give you a 24 pip stop, is it? Yeah.
No, so that's a Don trade for me.
Yeah.
Taking the low, like
taking the low, yeah. 50 minutes closed bearish. Well, it depends how this closes, to be honest.
Fucking clickbait there.
Yeah.
I've also got a 1 hour ascending trend line on GJ from the lower low. Right? Which then we can get the break below that support to a retest or a closure with the retest wick, how you used to trade.
Yeah.
And then send it, because then that'll also be, again, continuation bearish momentum.
Yes, sir. It's 20 pips now. This makes a top wick up to here, then reflips and breaks the low. I'm gonna take it. That's enough zone. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes rough. Yeah, fuck that. 5 minutes got a pretty big ass support here. Let's take a look at GJ. We had a little top wick. Making the top wick of the hourly again. 4 hours still bullish right now, but if it re-breaks that 4 hour flip, it should continue below. Yeah, 27 pips.
And it also looks like a 30-minute double bottom. It's a bit irritating.
On what?
GJ.
Yeah. The only thing that's put me off this 30-minute break of the previous low is this fucking 5 minute zone. But actually breaking the previous low would be there. It's actually, yeah, we're getting past all that zone. Did 1621.
BJ looks good for sells in the next 15.
Yeah, we'll take a look, Lily J. Yeah, if you get a closure below that, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, it's the same as GJ.
Yeah.
Gold literally looks identical to that 1 hour trade that we took yesterday that just slapped us instantly.
Slapped us, yeah.
Yeah, it's a triple bottom and 5 men.
Yeah. That's what's put me off it.
It's actually exactly the same.
The only thing you can say is if it breaks that 30 low, it's below that level. But yeah, that's just exactly what happened last time. It just got so much traffic to the 5. GJ's retraced all up. So yeah, still the same thing in terms of like direction. 8 o'clock, man. Like, where's the fucking direction, bro? Only 3 minutes in though, so we still got a lot of time. Looking like GJ's making a little bit of support. Could be just making still the top wick of the 30 minute and the hourly, but we'll see. Oh, Steve, that was a nice trade.
Stops, fuck sakes.
That was a nice trade.
Trade of the month, 5.6%.
That's beautiful, that. So your stop was what? 7 pips and your TP was 53. Fucking hell, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
I'm leaving the runner.
Mm-hmm.
It's at break even. Hopefully leave it all day.
Mm-hmm.
If you go back in the chat 40 odd minutes ago, I did call it.
Called it for the squad.
I did say the reversal looks good.
Anyone looking at this Goldie break of that closure above?
Looking at Goldie sells.
Mm. Does anyone trade with this broker link to Trading View? Nah. One 5 minute candle on GJ, 30 pips. Yep, that's today's life. Is this a little W? Nah, it's not really. It's a little bit of a harder one. Who's getting on the retest here? Jason. I'm gonna wait for this closure above on the 5, boy. See if it reacts here. I mean, if this kind of reflips, then we're looking good. Because then, yeah, we've broken the 50-minute highs, broken 30-minute highs, broken. No, I haven't broken hourly yet.
Oh, I'm watching GJ, man.
Yeah, look at that 5 minute. Jeez. Just rinsed.
Look at Goldie drop now.
Well, if Goldie breaks that 30-minute low now, I'm probably gonna take it, to be honest.
That's the 4th time I've taken a sell off that trend line.
Really?
Yeah, I am gonna close now.
Classic.
That was so easy, 500 quid in like 10, 15 seconds.
That's beautiful. What you want?
Have you sold every time as a tap that trend line?
I've had...
Yeah, look.
I got to Trading View. It's either 4 or 5 sells I've had. I've been putting them in for Jason. Jason asked earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had 5 with 4 wins and a break even.
Your stops are quite big, actually, aren't they? 25 pips. Fuck.
That pussy out now, boy.
I'm not, boy.
Max has decided to send a signal this time.
Oh, it's probably raining in the UK.
Finally feel like I'm getting value for money.
Classic.
Value added for a Wednesday.
Value added. So in a trade now, beautiful work. Looking like we're pushing down, which is nice to see. Okay, I'm up around about 7 pips already, so that's pretty good. Yeah, probably gonna go stop us to break even very shortly. Gold did a liquidity grab. Yes. Yes. Liquidity grab.
I've got 2 trend lines on gold, one on the bottom and one on the top. And it's just touched the one on the top and then smashed through the one on the bottom.
Yeah.
But it did that earlier, 7:15-ish. And came straight back up.
Mm. There's news in 10. Take a look. So I'm up 7 pips. I'm obviously taking a breakout trade, so I'm gonna go break even right now. I hope this can run. If it can't, that's okay. What you don't want to do is keep your trade in full TP, especially on a breakout.
I'm on deck this morning.
You took fucking GJ sell, eh?
To me, no?
Oh no.
You.
It's on everything.
He's on everything.
I'm on deck this morning.
Ew.
Jesus is hovering. How much you up, Jess?
Nah, took some partials like at 8. And it looks like it could tap my break even very shortly. It's like hovering close to my break even.
Not you cunt. Come on, Goldie.
Did you record it?
Yeah, boy.
You
Bro.
guys
Oh my god!
Who was that?
Fucking do spin. It's got fucking blasted.
It's hay fever season.
You guys
It's got fucking.
We in the street.
Yeah, bro. I'm fucking balls deep. I'm up 13 pips. Fuck yeah.
You fucking didn't say anything.
Oh, fuck off, you cunts. Yes, I fucking did. Look at the chat as well. It's in the fucking signal, you cunt. You fucking prick. Okay, just hit TP1 over here. Oh my god, that is fucking hilarious.
You mother sucker.
That is hilarious. You fucking prick. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the rest running until yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, it depends how this fucking pushes, because 1610 is actually the real place. So here we go. Oh, right, okay, I'm gonna close 80% now. Beautiful stuff. There we go, close 80% at 20 pips. Closed here. And now I've got the rest running. Beautiful. So hopefully we can continue further. But, you know, I always talk about this, right? You can take an impulse trade like this, because it's actually a closure below and all this kind of stuff. But you need to also remember, don't take this all the time. The times you've got to take this is at 8 o'clock open, where there's good volume. And then obviously you just see that I was up like 5-6 pips. Just got to put it break even, see if it can continue. If it can, great. If it can't, you know, that's fine. There we go.
Brian, did you take that?
Not a fuck.
Nah, man, it's not Brian's style, bro. It's Don's. Also mine. I fucking got a beautiful trade today. 28 pips so far. Very nice. Oh yes.
I'll give you a dub for that. Wait, don't worry. Well done. I'll give you a dub. I know you haven't had many of them.
Okay.
Fucking on mute over here. You don't say anything.
Fuck off.
He muted you, Chase.
Okay.
Yeah, I fucking muted you. Yeah, exactly. Brian literally said, "You're not going to push it out this max, are you?" No, I'm not. I'm going. Instantly put the single in.
I put him on the spot, boy.
Fuck it.
We've got to keep Max on his toes.
1609 inbound.
You reckon?
On the 4 hour, yeah. But I can't go too far left on the fucking 30 minute. I'll be there for about an hour trying to find the fucking zone. But on the 4 hour, it's clean. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you caught that trade. Beautiful stuff. So I've had a nice EJ buy.
Was it a close? Which time frame was your closure?
30.
Oh.
And I waited for the rejection here. Tapped the 4 hour flip. It's like, hell no. 15 just nutted.
Okay. So where was the closure? Yeah.
15, 30 minute closure. Hourly closure. It's all of them, bro.
You should have sold it off the trend line, Max.
I'm not that much of a big brain player, to be honest. That's fucking big brain.
You did say looking at Goldie buys, and I said sells.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know you fucking doing this big brain of taking the trades on the trend line. I'm waiting for a trend line break. So you're taking a sell while I'm looking for a buy.
Steve's taking it as soon as it taps the trend line.
Yeah, he's just taking them.
Yeah.
Especially that one that held for a long time. The only issue is, Steve, is that which one, how do you know when they're going to hold and how do you know when they're going to break? I suppose when they break, you just take the fucking buy, innit? To get your money back.
If you speak to Ninja about the stop losses, he's at 3.6 pips off the trend line. And it's working out something like 87% of the time.
Wow.
So when you win, you always do it at 5-1. So when you win, you can have 5 losses. Yesterday I had 3 or 4 break evens and 1 win. Today I've had 1 break even and 4 wins.
Yeah.
And I'm only risking 0.1%, but at 5-1, it's 0.5% for each win.
Yeah, that's fair. Get that.
So it's working out well. It's just frustrating when it doesn't push. Like yesterday.
So let's just take a look and see if there's any retest entries. Kind of. Yeah, I was thinking. I'm trying to think now. Is my level safe for the continuation of my runners? That's the next kind of thing you gotta go.
Well, just check the 4H again. You know it's got to come up retest.
Yeah.
It's just broken that level.
Yeah. That is the only issue.
Yeah. Jayan, what is a late W?
Wait, what?
Nah, he sent his W late. Maybe his internet went down and he already sent it at the time. But his internet went down and it didn't go through.
Break that low, boy. There we go. 30 pips now. Nice.
It's still full risk on gold.
Yep. I just made quite a big. I also risked quite a lot though, to be fair. But I knew, like, once we break that low, as long as I get into some profit, I'll just go break you and see if it pushes. Exactly what it did. Actually, let me put in the chat if you want to hear.
Ryan, what you doing?
Me?
Hmm.
Ah, just having a look here.
He's just chilling around.
Having a look
I
at
think
what?
I think GJ's rough, to be honest. In this area from here to here, it's already done both moves. I think this is just a little bit chalked. Jason probably up 60% of his account. Well, if he risks 30% a trade, which he probably does, then yeah,
his account already this morning.
Yeah.
Nah, I didn't, man.
Jason, you like my 30 pip
That's just
nut?
I'll take it. It's good. Carry on now.
I know. You didn't say anything. Fuck off. Yes, I did. I literally said it's a closure above. I want to wait for the top wick. If it breaks that low, I'm gonna go for it. And I fucking did, bro.
It's fine. You don't need to. Like, there's probably kids watching, my man. Foul language.
Oh man, I'm ill. That's very haram.
It's very haram.
That's very haram.
You're looking at the study.
It's not a swat.
Yeah.
30.
And GJ, I want us to close. Bruv.
We're already in GJ, boy.
You're joking, right?
5 minutes or just after the support.
Oh my days.
I buy supports, bro. This is our change. I buy supports. I sell resistance.
Wait, this one here, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, and there.
Yep.
20 pips stop on a 5. Fucking
You know,
shit, man.
Done, bro.
Yeah, boy.
Life now, man. You know. It's life.
How'd that look like on the 15? Ah, it's a 15 bullish closure. Yeah. Nice.
That's what made me go to the 5.
Yeah.
Simple. I couldn't use the 15.
Yeah. Why didn't you sold gold, though it was a loss, for 30-minute support breakout on gold, like before 30 minutes? Wait, what? I did sell gold. Oh, before. Wait, why didn't I sell gold here? Because we hadn't closed below yet, this candle, or this candle. This, so just to put this in perspective, right? This, here, if people are getting confused, I'll just go through this, right? This candle here didn't close below the support. This candle here didn't close below the support. This candle here did close below the support. And also, guess what? It's at 8 o'clock, so it's perfect for a nice impulse sell on the break of the previous low. So then, I look into my setups, and I go, right, what have I learned here? Well, I like a closure below. And bear in mind, this closure below, as you've seen 15 billion times just here, didn't work out. So that's why everyone else got scared. But the reason why you got scared is because it hasn't worked out before. But what was the difference? Well, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock volume. And you already got the rejection from the upside, which touched the 4-hour flip as well. Rejected. Right? If price really wanted to come back in this range, from here, if this is range 1, right? Okay. Why would something come and tap and then reflip out of the zone? It's clearly rejecting the zone. And then it's just going to push further. So then if you look to the pictures over here. Closure below. Here. You can see it's just a closure below on the 30. Top wick, break of the previous low. This is the confirmation candle, which is clearly this one here, because it's closed below support. This one makes a top wick, breaks the low. I didn't really care about the top wick breaking the previous high, because it's just gold. Gold can do whatever the fuck it wants. If it reflips though and breaks the previous low, it's going downtown. And that's all it is, so there you go. I was doing some more coding with my dad yesterday, man. That shit is hard. It's interesting though, it's good for your brain, I like it. It's like building blocks. Quite enjoyed it. Good stuff. Textbook, drop like Maguire slips fast and hard. Ooh, okay, we're coming into some real profit over here. I'm going to close half right here at 50 pips. I mean, because I can't really see much to the left, and that'll take me about an hour to find it. So I'm going to close half of the runner here at 50 pips. Eat. So that was TP2 here. And I'll put TP3 to my level down here at 1610. Just tell people in the chat. Closer to the runner now. Last runner TP 1610. See if we can get to 1610. I did think on the flat it was very, very clean. I'll show you what I meant by this, just because I think people get confused on why it's been pushing so far down. If you take a look here, back in the day, from here to here, what did I first spot? And this is what Raja spots all the time. You know, I'm looking at, well, this is the daily flip, this is the 4 hours, this is where we were in this area, okay? When we break below, well, we've broken fucking hard here to 1610. Why have I put 1610? Well, there's supports in a bit of trouble here. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. So it's just the obvious thing, right? If it has a trouble here, it has trouble there, that's going to be the next support to go to. Before that, though, there's fuck all here, so that's why it's pushed quite nicely. Yeah, there's a little traffic here, but for the most part, it's pretty nice. I closed my runner because it fannied about on the 1 minute, then dumped again. Yeah, you got to have just a little bit of trust of the higher time frames to the left on that one. But if you go back and watch the replay, you can see, you know, it was a breakout, therefore it is a bit scary in terms of, you know, the rejection. But once you get the push and you get up 5-6 pips, just go break even, and if it hits break even, then tough shit. But sometimes, every so often, you'll get a big nut like that, and you go, wow, that was worth it. DXY. Look at Bitcoin. Oh. Wow, yeah, DXY is high. Dollar index. It's high. What was the risk to reward? Well, it depends how you close, right? Depends how you close. It also depends how you manage. I probably wouldn't have hit full 27 pip stops here. Probably what would have happened is if this candle here closed bullish back above, or the 5 minutes started pushing back above here, then I'd probably just close, to be honest, because it's just a breakout trade. It's an impulsive breakout trade. What I wanted was the break straight away and not to fuck around. Okay, so if this next candle here like did this, and I'm pretty sure it's at break even already there, but you know what I mean. If it came back there, I'd probably just close. So, you know, you can't really know how much. But from just, if you held the full stops, yeah, I got pretty much a 1-to-1, the first one, and then runners hit double that. Oh, it's alright. Gold broke below 1622, flash crashed to 1590. Yeah. I think I saw the next one was about 1600 flat. So yeah.
Get these candles, what is this on GG? Fuck's sakes, bro.
Caressing Goldie. Lovely gold.
Leave GJ to the elite, boy. Take these, go back to impulse entries. Yeah.
Well, that's what I've decided.
That's what I've decided.
Sick of fucking sitting here just going GJ's wank all day.
True.
That was good, man. 8 o'clock as well. I mean, 8 o'clock on gold. Okay, 8 o'clock on GJ was fucking shit.
It was okay. I mean, I wouldn't put it in my Instagram reel, but I mean...
Yeah, you wouldn't put anything in yours. Everyone would be like, that's just an autistic entry.
Yeah, and I like this EU fake out support, no? To that untested node area, bro.
EU?
Yeah. So check the fake out support, and then we have an untested north.
The signal chat is broken. Fuck off, Tom.
It only works sporadically.
It only works what?
Sporadically.
Only works when there's 8 o'clock fucking volume. Oh my god. I used to take that shit every week at least, just a fucking nut, either on GJ or gold 8 o'clock. Shit hasn't happened in donkey's years. Max, can we have your setups? It's just, if you join the group, you get the setups online. You can download them.
Lucky.
You could literally join for a month, get all your shit, and then leave. Some people do that. Just download all the fucking content, and then you don't have to pay again. Good idea.
You're just giving people ideas to rip you off.
I don't care anymore. I don't think they'll. I don't give a fuck anymore.
What the hell? YouTube, are you listening?
YouTube, you're done. Your days are numbered, boy.
But remember, you have to subscribe twice to get all the signals. If you only subscribe once, you want to get half of them.
Has he run off? Has he left us?
Warren G. It's like myself and Warren is in sync this morning, eh? Oh my days.
Oh, Warren's becoming mean, boy.
Nah,
Amber.
that man said that you through, eh, bro. He's in it.
Did you go for it?
I didn't go for it. He went for it.
Well, go for what?
The fake out.
Oh.
I didn't match up, but went to make a coffee and let puppies out. Missed it.
Oh, you missed it.
Yeah, I had it lined up when you was on about it before, and I thought, yeah, I'm thinking same, but no, I missed it.
What the fuck is... DC is on the 10-minute. I didn't even know you could have a 10-minute chart.
Oh, fuck, my people are going crazy on time frames just to get entries.
That's what you're gonna do.
Okay, we just go to the 15. Why should I go to the 10?
Yeah.
How would you build an account with 3%? Yeah, you can't. 3% a month, I mean, it's gonna be slow. But that's what happens in these couple of months. A lot of people. That Goldie was pretty much 2.8%, so I'm fucking...
Hey, Warren, this thing is gonna go, eh? Ah, so it's gonna go. And we checked the 30, Warren. Oh!
Send it, boy.
Oh, man.
Hey, what are you on?
I just said EU.
You're a USD fake out retest.
Send it now.
Could be worth it. Because it's going to retest another fake out at resistance, right? So you've got the fake out south, you got a fake out north.
Yeah.
It's fine.
See it, Jace? On the 30. On 30. You got fake out the bottom, fake out the top.
Yeah. Oh, man, that's rough.
Oh, rough. It's like you're buying support.
Yeah, but you're selling resistance.
Gotcha, bitch. Gotcha. So Messi.
You need another confirmation for that EU.
Yeah.
I like it. Shut up.
Are you sending it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look if I actually tapped anything to the... Yeah. Come on, nut down, please. 1650, boy.
check EJ 5 minutes, man. Oh my days.
Wait, what? Take the what?
EJ on the 5.
Yeah, that's what DC was playing.
You can go to what time frame? That can is not gonna change.
It's been shit yesterday as well, actually. Yeah, it's been pretty shit.
EU.
Hold Mook me the fuck up today. EU. What price you get in?
An EU.
Yeah.
Let me go to my chart.
Let me go to my chart. You sounded so fucking Jamaican.
0.95 480.
Oh, very nice. You're getting low. Yeah, nice.
Because I'm a fucking G.
Like, let that bitch launch. Meow.
You see, even Andrea heard my voice. She's in it like me. We in it. Pa pa pa.
Pa pa pa.
Yeah. And I'm saving all my love. Why, nigga? You regulating?
No.
Our close full at 10.
Well done, mate.
Nice, well done, guys.
Gotta risk it for a chocolate biscuit.
Boy.
So you could actually, if you missed the 15, so there was an entry on the 15. So if you missed the 15, you could have gotten to the 30 as well.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
No,
To the street.
I think Jason got feet pics from Taylor. He is way too happy. Oh god.
Wow.
The singing is horrible. Getting rinsed here, bro. Jace.
Ah, man, I can't get rinsed by a gulag.
Yeah, don't care about the gulag.
Gulag.
I literally took a banger now. You know. That is what. So if you speak to me, speak about trades. Don't speak a shit to me.
I'm talking pips.
Pips, bro.
Yeah, you have to make money, not talk shit, man.
It's make money and talk shit, actually.
Yeah. I think at the moment more talking shit than making money, to be
Only if
honest.
you're making money, you can talk shit. So it comes with a territory, you know. You make money, you can talk shit. Man. You're making shit. You shut up. You ain't making shit. Shut up.
Making shit, shut up.
Oh, that was nice. Warren. Oh. So gold this morning and E, I can't believe. Oh, Warren.
So let's go through this whole morning, right? What else could we have taken? I really think that EJ, I think I should have just called that out, but it was a bit of cowboy in terms of that. I think it's pushed down too much in that zone. But anyway, let's just go.
Was a cowboy.
Yeah, he's backtracking now. Oh,
let's go here. So that on there. The GJ one as well. I should have fucking not listened to Brian and just took it.
shut up.
That one was quite nice. And I mean, Jace, I think the 15 was nice. It's just, back on the flip there, it was actually only 26 pips. That's quite a lot, man.
Not a lot.
That's normal now, right now.
Can't say that.
That's the
also, that is the stop loss the market is giving me. I can do fuck all about that.
Yeah,
that's true.
Oh, it's a good setup. Yeah, exactly. It's a good setup. I like it. It's a fake out. You're back in the zone. That's what it is. It's beautiful.
And the 4 hour that Warren mentioned.
Yeah, that was nice as well.
That was what I needed, man.
Yeah.
I was fucking in full margin. I'm joking. Yeah, it was nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, this gold's gonna continue. Rinse.
Speak about the other trades. Fuck this gold. The movie's playing.
Yeah, jeez. Jason is stoned. Jason, that is haram for Jason.
Yeah.
Haram.
Tell Jason what he's not doing.
Haram.
If you were as good as Jason, you'd be worrying about pips and not fucking 420, boy.
Exactly. You know, you should be looking at what candle is forming next instead of. Oh, okay. You see, Brian, that fake out was a nice TP level that you mentioned on the 30.
Yeah, what about the fake out entry for sales?
I might do anything again. I might do anything, but I want to do a low risky day.
What is the direction on EU?
Listen, I'm a range trading.
No, for sure. But what's the direction? What's the trend?
Bearish.
Yeah.
Look, if Timmy was looking at this chart, where's Timmy gonna be going? Timmy, by the way, bearish is red candles. What is it like right now? Well, bullish. How's GU doing? It's still in the fucking gutter. Still fucking.
Didn't you and Vincent put a wage on that?
Nah, I was joking. I was fucking around.
I think you guys put a wage
Yeah,
on.
I said next year, so let's see next year then. I'm in a bit of drawdown right now. 500 pips. I have faith in my own currency. Not right now, though.
Just a little bit of drawdown.
The only good thing is, I mean, my last disease. Well, I mean, I used to do them as well at uni. Actually, it's called user testing. I think I told you about it before. You do like you test like apps and stuff, and you get paid.
Do like the website or something.
Yeah. But now it's good because they pay you in dollars. So like, man, it's like $10 I think, which is pretty much £10. It's £10 for like 5 minutes work. Yeah, it's good shit.
Do you still do it?
No, I'm fucking doing it. I'm not doing it for 10 quid. But back in the day when I was skint, fuck yeah, I did that shit. I'd have it run on my PC all day, and like by the end of the day, I'd have done like 3 or 4. I'd be 40 quid for doing fuck all, and that would pay for my takeaways the next week.
You gotta speak about the product, eh?
Well, yeah, they just record you like going on their app, and like and they ask you like, right, try it. Like for example, if it was a clothes app, it'd be like, right, we want you to go and buy a pair of brown shoes and put them in your basket and stuff, and like you go through it and see how easy it was, like, what could have helped. It's just like, it's really basic shit. It's quite interesting though. You see like new apps that are coming out, and it's well interesting. It's good for like people in uni who are skint.
Max on gold 5 minute. Would you have sold on when it come back up and touched the bottom trend line?
Wait, what? Where? What trend line?
Where it is.
Above.
Where it is.
Okay. I don't see a fucking bearish trend line. Oh, I know what you mean. I've never
That's
done that once.
Where it is. I think Steve mentioned it earlier.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I haven't back tested them. I haven't back tested it, so well, it makes sense, right? All it is just a level that holds price, right? So I mean, it makes sense. I mean, where would you do it from, like there?
Yeah, I started that one, then went down. And
That's nice. Shit.
I think it was Steve mentioned it.
Yeah, it would have worked.
They work quite regularly, them ones.
Yeah.
Might be worth back testing when you do your top ones while you're doing it.
Yeah. GU buys above trend line. I don't have a trend line on mine, but it's GU. Wish I had it before. Buys above. Let's take a look. Above trend line. So have you been doing trend? I'm assuming you've probably been doing trend lines on GU. So, well, if you've back tested it, I don't see why not. But I don't know if I've back tested it. So I'm blind. That's a beautiful daily celery play as well there. That's nice. That's pretty good. So yeah, I mean, I think EJ and GJ are kind of stuck in this zone. I'm not gonna lie. They seem to be not really doing too much. I still think it's bearish. I still think sells below 786 is gonna be probably what I want. It's hourly support below there, and it's cream below as well. For buys, let's say weight above 154,600. I think that could be good. So yeah. So I've only got a little bit of a small runner, but we'll see. 50-minute close bullish. So I mean, you know, this is what you got to do, man. You got to think, you know, is it going to still continue and not retest first? It's probably going to go and retest, isn't it? So that's when you got to think, well, I might just close full here. Yeah, I'm just going to close full here at 20. Let's take a look at the 5. Yeah, I think we're going to go and tap it. Go close full here. Close full, 15 closed bullish, it rejected again. Price came back to the low and rejected, so I've closed full at 20 pips there. I think what people sometimes forget is the runner isn't just I'm trying to get trying to get people out of this thing. I think when, you know, Raj and stuff went through all this stuff, it kind of went a bit like a structure, like too much of a structure, like, you know, like 2 trades a day, you know, leave your runner on or whatever. But the whole point of a runner is to make you more money. If you know 80% of the time this isn't going to make you more money, what's the fucking point in having it on? Okay, you got to think that. It's the same kind of thing with like, you know, closing half at certain levels, or, you know, managing risk. You just got to do it not when you're emotional. Do it when you know, like, this isn't going to fucking work over here, and I know why, because the data. And you know that, like, that 2 trades a day rule. Well, yeah, it's good. I mean, it's good for discipline at the start, but if you've got the discipline, it's just going to hold you back. So why would you do that? And there we go. GJ's back ranging.
It was a nice trade, Max.
Yeah, thanks, man. You take some today?
Yeah, I did actually. I took I got in on the trade that you took late.
Yeah.
I didn't see you take it. And I was just busy with the kids. But I jumped in on the one
you heard the, did you get the telegram thing? Oh shit.
Yeah, no, I missed it. I missed Telegram. Yeah, obviously, phone was on the desk, and I had a screaming child. Always good. Interesting to see how it's going to react, gold, on this trend line. That who was it that sold off it 4 or 5 times?
Yeah. I know.
So if it breaks this, in theory,
it should continue up.
It should continue up.
Yeah.
Interesting to see how it kind of like works the other way around.
Yeah. That means that pretty much, I mean, I think Manuel was going through that, but it means, like, these trend lines, if you've just got one that seems to be respecting lows, you can buy off it, you can sell off it, you can do everything off it.
Yeah. Or do you reckon it's just going to retest?
Well, that's the thing as well, man. It could just retest and fly back down. It's very, very bearish, so, I don't know.
What is that range, though, from that's probably quite a big range, isn't it?
Yeah, see, it's fucking 60 pips. I think Raja is a scam. He always holds more than 100 lots out of stream and struggles with 10 pips live. Nah, he definitely isn't, man. I've watched him way too long to be a scam. I'm very on the ball with people like that. Man, he just gets the bigger trades in the morning, man. He has to eat, and he does eat in the mornings where it is. He did a whole video on it, you know.
So, Matt, do you think he would have taken that with the 15 closing above? Is that the kind of?
I think he would have taken that trade. Yeah, that 30-minute closure below. I think that's a Raja trade. Yeah, because queen candles are below, and you've got the rejection. Yeah, I also think that buy one here as well was a Raja trade as well, just here. Because the 30 is clean, you see, to the retest. So yeah, that's a Raja trade. Raja trades are just always where there's clean zones. And like, if you get in early, which is what you talked about in this thing, if you get in early at a discounted price, then man, you've got the whole range as long as you can hold it. Whereas NY, if you're going back test NY in terms of gold, man, it's ass. I can't do it. I finished trading gold after like half one.
Yeah,
there's just there's too many
also
wicks.
like, trading with the times of the market, and then you get, because once you get that initial push, then you're kind of safe.
Well, yeah, like the big cases where like this will happen in like a 1:30 or 2 o'clock London, like NYSE. Yeah. And it'll just wick up like 20 pips again, then it'll launch back down like 30 pips. It's just so wild. Whereas if you're getting in at like 6 a.m. in the morning, the volume's fuck all there, but you're getting it at a discounted price. And then when it starts moving, so for example, I mean, I'll try and find an example, but like if he gets in early to a move, let's just say for example here, right? He gets in like, I don't know, up here with a resistance, or like maybe a closure below there. Right, if he gets in there, and just imagine that this is like, I don't know, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., something like that. It's very, very early on.
Yeah.
And let's just say to the left-hand side was very, very clean, right? I mean, it isn't here, but let's just say it was clean. Mm-hmm. He's taking a trade here, he's holding it on, and then here, right, at this level, this is, 8 o'clock. Imagine that's 8 o'clock. And then you get the real drive back down to the low. And because he's getting in such a high point, he's at break-even the whole time, and he just lets it run off because he's so early. But if you come at 2 o'clock, NYSE, you'll get fucking wicks left, right, and center, and you'll squeeze 10 pips, baby, but you won't get like a 100-pip move unless it fucking launches, which it barely does anymore.
Yeah.
So I think the early morning gold trades are the ones, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I don't know if that's the right word.
Yeah. You're trading in your face basically on the tip. Yeah, man. If you think Raj is a scam, man, it's just not even a debate. I think people who say, I mean, I can see how people say, you only just 10 pips on the NY. He's only made his fucking buck. You need to remember that Raja needs to eat as well, right? He only does the live streams to educate and stuff. He doesn't need to do, he needs to eat as well. So if he's already taken his beautiful trade in the morning and realizes that NY probably is going to be a little bit ass, he reduces his lot size and he only gets 10 pips.
Mm-hmm.
He only made fucking 60 grand this morning, so why the hell would he just risk his profits when he got a beautiful trade in the morning? It's just, just because of the fucking people watching him, he should do a big trade. No, it's...
Wow. Gold like properly. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's why I got out, man.
It's like 18. I would have had 18 pip there.
Yeah.
It literally retested it perfectly.
Yeah.
Fuck. God damn. Oh, god damn. Look at that.
Raja is a boss, definitely not a scam. I mean, everyone who live streams, even if they don't show a tournament, like I don't show mine because I just don't want to, and I think it would affect my trading quite a lot if I did. They're trading live. You can't fucking bullshit this. It's fucking live. Like, I don't know what else you'd want, but like people who don't do that live are those scammers. They're the ones that you gotta be careful for. Like I remember back in the day when I watched Raja for 3 years, he didn't show his terminal on stream for 2 years, but I didn't give a fuck, man. He was saying I'm gonna take a buy here now. Like why would I need any more? Oh no, but you took a buy and maybe you're 5 minutes, 10 minutes ahead of time, and then you can lie to us. No, he's fucking trading live, retards. Like, Raja can't just go ahead in time and then go on the live stream. Oh, I'm gonna take a buy now, and he's already in profit. No, he fucking I don't get how people, if you give, I mean, I think to get some people's win, some people's kind of like, oh yeah, you can really trade. They want them to come to their fucking house and just sit on their desk and go, oh yeah, you actually can trade. So, it's 9 o'clock now. GJ is fucking around. 5 minute looks awful. Goldie's done exactly what I wanted it to do. Waited patiently for it, because I did think, when it starts to mess around here, don't get nervous about this level. It just needs the volume, and then 8 o'clock definitely brought that.
I think the question is wrong, man. Like if you can trade or not, because I believe everybody can trade. I think what matters is are you profitable or not, man.
Yeah.
But everybody can get trade. You can just set you up, take a trade, and you trading. You know what I mean?
Good boy. Someone says buy gold. Oh, yes. Looks like EJ's rejecting the lows again. That looks choppy now, man. I'm not fucking touching that. So yeah, I'm probably going to leave it off over here, guys. Thank you very much for coming on. We'll see you guys at NY session. If you guys do want to join the NY, I'll put the link here. You can fuck around with the boys in NY and
thanks, Max.
Learn how everyone else trades. It's okay. See you later, guys. Peace out, man. See you guys later. Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Take care, everyone. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. Let's try and get to 80 likes. And maybe next, we'll do a Magic Keys giveaway. So yeah, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Peace out. Peace out, boy.